Hey kids, welcome to lesson 4, using simple commands, part 3. This is a pretty straightforward lesson. Let's just jump right into it. Do this. Draw a 3x3 grid to the front and right of the turtle. This is supposed to be done as efficiently as possible. The turtle should end at its original location and facing its original direction. At the end of the day and at the end of the program, our turtle should be at the starting point right here, just where it's at right there. We have a little example we're drawing here. This is a 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3 grid. And we have a hint here down at the bottom. The problem presents some subtle challenges. Work with your partner to discuss possible solutions. Try more than one path. Testing your ideas on paper might be a faster way to brainstorm. What this is telling me here is there's probably multiple ways to complete this project. So while I am certainly going to show you one of these ways, that does not mean this is the only way it can be accomplished. Be creative, try some different ways, and try to make yours more efficient than mine is. Let's take a look at our workspace down here. I have my grid here. I have 4 commands to work with in my toolbox. Move forward, turn left, pen up, pen down. Not very much to work on, but that's okay. We can do this if we work together and we work hard. First thing I'm going to do here is I think I'm going to work on the inside parts. I think I'm going to approach this as 2 separate problems. A regular square and then kind of a hashtag hash brown in the middle here. Let's see if my approach works out. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to work this way. So I need to turn my little turtle to the right. We learned last time you do this by using 3 lefts. All I did was spin my turtle to the right. If we hit run, let's see what it does. There it goes, spins around. We are now facing in the right direction to start our grid. I think I'm going to start in the middle here. How I'm going to accomplish this, I'm simply going to move forward twice. That is going to be 1, 2. I want to turn left. That'll move my turtle to the upright position here. Move forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This should walk me over here, then walk me up to this point. At that point, I want to turn left, move forward 1, turn left again. So I went up here, turn left, went over here, turn left again. I'm going to move forward 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and finish this part off with a turn left. This should go down here, up here, over here, and then down here. I'm essentially drawing the middle part of this grid. Let's see if my code does that. Beautiful, exactly what I wanted it to do. We can continue working on this bottom line. We're going to go over 1 here. We're going to do this by doing 2 move forwards and 1 turn left. 1, 2, and this should take me here to the points up there. Let's go ahead and see if that's what it does. Speed it up a little so we don't have to wait. There we go. Beautiful. This part here, I'm going to start drawing my insides. You can accomplish many different ways. Again, just because I'm doing it this way does not mean this is the only way to do it. Feel free to explore and experiment in your own ideas. I'm going to put 2 more move forwards in. That'll move that up 2. Turn left. So I'll be right here, move forward, up 1, up 2. I'll turn left. At this point, I want to add 3 move forwards. 1, 2, 3. Why 3? Well, we're over here and we want to get to over here. That'll require 3 moves. At this point, we're going to turn left, move forward, and turn left again. That should bring us somewhere over here. Let's reset it and run, see what happens. There you go. So my code has gone over here, up here, down here, over here. Then we went over all the way to the end, up 2/3 of the way, over all the way, down 1 and over. So I'm going to finish this little run right here. That'll be 3 move forwards. And a turn left. This point, we should be down here, right at this point, facing down. Let's see if we're correct. Oh, it's not facing down, it's facing up. Because we came over here, 1 left would have pointed it in the up direction. At this point, I think I'm going to just complete this wall up here, so I'm going to move forward twice. That should take me up to right here. There we are. So I'm going to turn left. And I'm going to move forward. How many times do we move forward? Well, on mine here, I'm going to do it 3 times. So I'm going to take my turtle all the way over here. That's 1, 2, 3. I'm going to turn left again. I want to point down, because I'll be pointed this way. And since I'm here, I want to go 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to move forward 1, 2, 3. That'll put me down here. Unfortunately, I need to orient my turtle on the upright direction. So I'm going to need 2 lefts to accomplish this. 44 lines of code, not bad. I am sure I can do much better, and I will do much better in future lessons. But let's go ahead, reset, and run this. Let's see if we can get our grid to show. Nice. Let's slow this down so we can actually see what's happening here. Beautiful. So we kind of broke this down to insides and outsides. I did a final trace to finish it up and oriented my turtle in the upright direction. Probably like to comment this out, but we don't have a comment box right now. So at this point, I think this is pretty good. Looking at code.org, we can see that we drew our 3x3 grid. It went front and right, and the turtle is in its original location and facing its original direction. I think we're pretty good here. Let's hit finish and see what code.org thinks of our work. Hey. Good job, kids. This completes the 3x3 grid, and I will see you at the next lesson.